morning, everybody. We are checking out of French Quarter. We have to bring all of our stuff down to the front so they can transfer over to the hotel we're checking in today. Then we're gonna go to Epcot. I think we're gonna,
we have a good
rope
day
drop
planned.
the World Showcase, or at least try to. I don't know what time it'll be once we get over there. And our most exciting thing that we're looking forward to today, for me, it's riding Guardians, and I hope we get September.
Guardians in the World Showcase, I love it.
We have a lightning lane for Guardians at 10:40 to 11:40, and then we're gonna go to Magic Kingdom tonight because we have a Tron lightning lane to ride it in the dark. So, lots of fun ahead. We're in Epcot. We just spent the last hour.
Yeah.
We tried to do the pin drop Tuesday, which I didn't even know what I was doing, but I just saw a Marie one that I wanted to get, so it was limited edition, so we had to wait in the line, get wristbands. We got this one
For spring, very cute.
This one because of Clover. Our dog's name is Clover, so we like St. Patrick's Day stuff. And then I got this one to see if maybe I can trade with people in the breezeway, because those were limited release. This is a limited edition, so it's a little bit more hard to get. But if nobody wants it, I might just keep it for Jake because he collects Donald. Now we're in Mexico. We're gonna go into the pavilions.
And I'll show you my outfit today.
Oh, yeah.
I have my cute little Marie bougie shirt. I have my shorts on, my hoku, and my bagu. Hoka. I said it again.
Yeah, you did. Okay, and then I have my orange bird ears, orange bird shirt, biker shorts, hokas, and my bagu. Just finished up our breakfast at yeah, that was good. Tell them what we got.
So we got the ham and cheese baguette with butter and Dijon mustard. It's very, very good, which I always love their baguettes. I also got a lemon and blueberry Danish. That was very good.
We got the chocolate croissant. That was there wasn't much chocolate in it. I was kind of disappointed in it.
That was not good.
And then we got this little trifle type thing. The girl said it was like yogurt. It was definitely not yogurt. It was more like whipped cream, but it was good. And it had like blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries in it.
It was very good, very light.
Yeah. And now we just pulled over to talk to the camera a little bit. And now we're gonna go to Guardians because we have a lightning lane that ends in 2 minutes, so we better get over there.
Yeah.
Welcome, Terrence. I am Worldmind, sentient supercomputer serving the people of
All right, I'm hoping for September and one way or another. Mom?
September.
Yeah, September's the only correct choice.
Greetings, Terrans. I am Nova Prime Irani Rayan, commander of the Nova Corps. On behalf of all Xandarians, I hope you have enjoyed exploring the wonders of Xandar. As you have seen, your world and ours were born of the same moment, one which you refer to as the Big Bang. It would take 2.5 million years, assuming you had a ship that could fly at the speed of light. So we decided to come to you.
Does anyone know what they call themselves? What? I'm on? Someone needs to tell me when I'm on. You made it! I mean, of course you did. Nova Prime, they're ready.
I am Groot.
Good question.
Yeah, who do you think took it? Perhaps that really big man outside your ship.
Okay, I've locked onto your vehicles.
We'll be right behind you.
Nothing to worry about.
Once we cannot stop this unusually large man, then you're likely doomed.
Drax!
Good watch.
It was useless to follow me. What is that noise?
Noise? No one's gonna stop rock and roll from existing.
I think we're jumping back.
Big.
Locking coordinates.
It's Epcot. Remind me to raise our rates.
Oh my god! It makes my eyes water so bad. And I forgot that song. I like this song. I know it's good.
And welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy.
We have no room in our ship.
It started downpouring right when we were getting off Guardians.
Drowned rat.
But we got, what did we get? Disco Inferno. So not like our first choice,
Oh,
but
I like that song though. I always
no,
forget
it's fun.
about that one.
It's fun. I like it better than some of the others, but we haven't got September in so long.
I know.
So now we're just gonna get on the Skyler, go to our hotel that we're staying at, which I'm not gonna say yet. But when we pull up, I might just show it and then do the grand reveal. We're hoping that our bags get delivered. She said that they don't start transfers till noon, and that it could get there as late as 5. But we're hoping not, because our clothes are so damp because it just downpoured and it's only 12:45. This could suck really bad.
Yeah. Hey everyone, this is London's mom. We are staying at at, surprise, Caribbean Beach Resort. I'm going to show you our room. Number 4353. We have a view of the courtyard. We've actually stayed in this room before. And this is one of the quiet pools. This is actually a preferred room because the Skyliner is just that way. And now I'll take you in the room. There's London in bed. And we have 2 double beds. A little sitting area. TV. This is Happy Birthday Mandy. Storage areas. Kitchen. No, not kitchen. Bathroom. And a bathroom here. The toilet's here. Shower. Prefer the other hotel's bathroom area very much to this one. This one needs a lot of updating. And that's it.
We're back with another pin unboxing before we head to Magic Kingdom. So we're gonna open up another box of the animated cuties and another of the, these don't really have a name. I think they're just the most magical day ever. This one and this one. Okay, which one first?
I don't know, but I don't have my readers. I can't see. Hold on, I'll be back.
She's got to get her double glasses. All right, let's do another of the animated cuties. So, I want Alice and Tinkerbell because I have Pinocchio. I have Pinocchio and Peter Pan. So we'll see. We have another box too. You can go first.
Let me see which one I want.
Okay, I'm gonna go first then while she's looking.
Tinkerbell.
Yay!
Alice, she's so cute.
Oh, I love her. Okay, that's a keeper.
Hold on, before I open it.
We're gonna get both the gals and the... I don't know who that is. These two. I don't know.
Tinkerbell!
Yay, that's a good box!
Yay!
Oh, yay! Just the two we wanted.
So cute.
So none of the others would probably be traders, but yay! Got all 4 that I wanted in that box now. Yay!
They're cute.
The 2 blondies.
Yeah.
Alright, now we're gonna do this box. I still want Minnie with the Dole Whip, and Daisy with the churro, Dumbo, or Donald with the coffee.
Dumbo.
I know, Dumbo's cute. I'll go first this time. Oh no. We gotta get more of these if they have a Magic Kingdom. I need that mini one. I feel like this is not her. There's a lot of things coming up. No! Not that one again! I already have
Bubble
it.
wand, Mickey.
Okay, ready? Okay, we have to buy another box of those tonight. What is he even doing?
Let me see.
Oh, it is a popcorn bucket. Okay, he's a traitor because I already have the Mickey Bubble one. So we're gonna head to the front of the hotel now and get me a nice salad because my stomach's not used to the food here. So it's hurting. So we're gonna get a salad. Hopefully that helps. Get a bus from the front to Magic Kingdom. We have a Tron Lightning Lane. We might do the fireworks, see how tired we are. Anything else we want to do, Mom? Mom?
I'd like to see the fireworks, but that crowd.
It's the crowds after. I don't do well. Yeah. All right, well, we're gonna go over there now.
Play it by ear.
Our magic bands that we got in September were like broken. Like none of the haptics or lights were working, so we went to the front, said that they were like defective. So he gave us this little voucher to go to the gift shop and get a new one for free. So I picked out this one.
And I picked out.
Smiling ear to ear, has like the Dole Whip on it.
And I picked out the
Mom's
castle
got it.
one.
So cute, and it was so nice. Got my little Eeyore guy here. Surprise! We're staying at Caribbean Beach, which is actually no surprise really because we always stay here.
Yes, and we always stay right there.
In Jamaica. Love it. Because look at the skyliner.
I know.
It's just so pretty here, and it's like tropical feel, and we just came from New England where it's a blizzard, so we needed some summery vibes here. We're at Magic Kingdom. It's really busy. Our Tron Lightning Lane we can't even use because it's down. So I don't know if we get refunded for that or what. But now we're gonna go ride Pirates. It's only a 15-minute ride. Wait. Mom's favorite.
Yeah, love it.
Jungle Cruise, and the skipper that we had was so funny.
Her name was Kaylee.
Yeah, the jokes, like, I love the dad jokes. They're funny. Make me laugh.
Yeah.
She just kept saying the same elephant one over and over. Like 5 times.
Yeah.
We realize we're very out of shape after doing the treehouse.
Yeah.
Mom's sweating and my legs are shaky and weak.
But I have jeans on
I
too.
think maybe we should just start hitting the gym.
Yeah, it's a good idea.
Yeah, we have jeans on. That's the excuse. We're tired. We're back.
We're tired.
We're so tired. My feet hurt so bad. My heels. Showered, hair's blow dried, ready for tomorrow. What's your favorite, well, your love and hate of the day, Mom?
Oh, God. That's caught me off guard.
I can go first.
All right.
If you want, and you can think. My love, I can't really pick just one. So either going on Guardians or watching the fireworks at Magic Kingdom tonight. And then my hate, that my feet hurt. And that my stomach hurts because I'm not used to eating all this junk all the time, but it's so good. I can't help myself.
Yeah, my love was going back to Epcot, which we still have to do all the countries.
Because the Flower and Garden
And
Festival
I
starts
want
tomorrow.
to do a little drinky poo around the world. And my hate today, and my hate was the debacle.
With our bags, right? Is that what you're talking about?
Yes.
Oh my goodness, yeah, that took forever.
We wasted so many hours.
Like 45 minutes to get our bags. They transferred our bags from French Quarter to here, but then they got them here, and two people came to ask what our bags were, and nothing was happening. Like, we were just standing around, and everybody else was getting their bags, and no one seemed to be able to find ours. And
It's awful. We're okay now. It's all over, and
Yep.
things happen, and we're over it, and we're moving on. Tomorrow's a new day. We're going to Animal
tomorrow
Kingdom.
we're going to Animal Kingdom. I have such a cute outfit. I'm so excited to wear it. We're gonna try and rope drop the safari. We're gonna get breakfast at Satuli Canteen, I think.
Yeah, I want the yogurt.
There's a coffee she wants to try.
Yes. Yes.
I don't think we have plans for like the afternoon, but we'll find something.
I think we're going to do Epcot at night.
Yeah, probably.
Again, drink around the world. Might be packed though. Tomorrow's the opening
Yeah,
of the
it's
Flower,
opening
but-
day of Flower and Garden. We're signing off for the day, for the night. Thanks for watching day 3.
Yeah. Like
And
and subscribe
like and
and
subscribe.
comment below.
Right, good night.
Good night.